Hello everyone, hi, this is Ritu Verma and I'm so glad to be back online. The most awaited Jolly English workshop is back again after demand, and here I'm going to talk about a little about Jolly English so that you have a glance of what it will cover. It's an amazing program, it's an award-winning program, tried and tested and researched, and it has been working absolutely wonderfully in most of the schools who have started following it. It can be incorporated along with Jolly Phonics, or it can be incorporated before Jolly Phonics, or it can also act as a separate English language course for early learners. It is especially for preschool children who have little to no knowledge of English. Yes, the kids who have no knowledge about English, they are totally new to the language at the very young age. You can say 2.5 or 3 is an ideal age to start. Everything is covered in systematic way along with the 42 sounds of Jolly English. We have new stories, new chants, you have songs, you have role plays, you have amazing multi-sensory activities which can go on, and all the concepts of general knowledge, numbers, vocabulary, English, everything is covered in one single course. It comes in 2 levels, Jolly English 1 and 2. Stay tuned for the training. See you soon. Bye.